Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we are going to inflate the tires on a Harley-Davidson Sportster. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. Each tire was checked, beginning with the tire size. The next check at the tire is the maximum pressure on the tire. The maximum pressure listed for both tires is 42 psi. Since the Harley-Davidson inflation specification is lower than the maximum rating, the tire should be able to withstand the specified cold pressure as well as an increased PSI when the tire heats up during normal riding conditions. A check of the owner's manual was done to view the information and specification for inflating the tires. The recommended pressure for the tires in this video is 36 psi for the front and 40 psi for the rear. The inflator was set to the specification and the tool automatically stopped when it reached the setting. The inflator tool was disconnected from the valve stem and an analog gauge was used for reference. When using the tool with other vehicles, the gauge on the tool has been accurate with the TPMS monitors of those vehicles. The valve cover was reinstalled and the tool powered down. This is unnecessary as the tool can stay on in between two tires. The tire inflator was then attached with a hose to the valve stem of the tire. The inflator was set to the specification and the tool automatically stopped when it reached the setting. The inflator was disconnected from the valve stem of the tire and the analog gauge was again used for reference. As an additional note, because the inflator has a screw-on connection, the longer the amount of time it takes to disconnect, the more air will escape the valve stem. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.